Yeah, he just walked in.
Come on, Matt.
Let's go, Matt.
Hand control, sit hard. Keep wrestling, keep wrestling.
On bottom, you gotta have a wrist. Come on.
Do your thing. Cross wrist, go to work.
Go ahead, John.
Come on, Ryan.
Hey, that was score. That's a score.
There you go.
There you go, Matt.
Hand control, held up the mat, bud. Hand control, attack that hand.
Attack
that hand.
Here's her hand right there. Here it comes.
2 and 1, keep that off.
Post it again.
That's
Post
it.
it again.
Right, you know what he's doing.
Go with 2 hands now. Come on up, hips up. That's it. Now pop your hips up. Pop
Go,
your
Matt.
hips up, buddy.
Will they stand ready?
Head up, head up, head up.
Who's back? Go ahead.
That's it, Ryan. Dig deep. Whistle
Forward.
hard, whistle tough.
Forward. There you go. Wrist in the head.
There you go.
Blood time.